Hello guys, welcome to Crypto Darkness. Before start, don't forget like and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to follow me on my social media here. So today in this video we have a special exchange platform, one of the best three exchange platforms for me personally, the BingX. All you have to do is follow me from the beginning to the end. I will show you every strategies about earning from this platform and a lot of things, a lot of features for sure. Just follow me after this intro. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube crypto channel. So today we have here the BingX exchange platform, one of the best exchange platform for me, especially because it is really a famous platform and they have a lot of features for sure. That's what make it famous. So we have here the capture every trading opportunity. They had the valuation a lot of and the famous bitcoins coins, like you see the new listening for sure, and the listening announcement, and also the airdrops guide as you see here. And we have here the news for this platform, so you can explore our product that they have the copy trading. You can invest less, earn more. So more than 17,000 elite traders, more than 51 million copy earnings, and more than 600 million total orders. So that means a lot of things. You can do a spot futures and great trading for sure, and the platform is really secure. You can secure your assets for sure, and a lot of things that they have the compliance matrix, 2FA authentication, and it is transparency for everyone, and 100% proof of reserve with top cyber security organization as a partner. So you can get started in just 3 minutes. How you can buy a crypto with the P2P, or you can make a deposit, or you can buy with the card. You can also start with the copy trading, and how you can make a deposit and make a withdrawal. I will show you everything in this video. Just follow it from the beginning to the end. So we have here some events, some big events for the 7th anniversary Argentina in 2021, the blockchain live in Dubai, and the token 2049 in Dubai this year. So you can see the partners: Chelsea, England Football Club, one of the best in England. And you can also trade anywhere, anytime with the app, the official app. It is available on the App Store, Google Play, and developers API also. So you can see some social media. I will show you everything. So first of all, you can just make a deposit, or first of all you can make your background as you see here, and you can also change your language, change your currency. So after that you can create an account. I will put the links where you can create your account under this video's description. Then you can make a deposit. So how you can do this, just click here, select your crypto, select your network, and you have to make a withdrawal from another exchange to this wallet. Exactly, you can use this QR code for sure. Then you can also buy a crypto with your quick buy or your P2P. It means that Binance, it will be between you and the seller, and you can also do some fiat deposit. There is a promo there, you can check it by yourself. So for me, I have some funds already. I guess I have almost 57 USDT. Now what you have to do is you can go and trade easily. Just go to the spot here, and this is the table, the dashboard for the trading. You can select here your token. As you see, they have a lot of tokens. For example, the BNB here, you can select this one. I think BNB will reach again 1000 USDT because it has been reached it before, I guess the last week. So now what you have to do is make a transfer, because I have $50 on my account. I can make a transfer to this $30 from the fund account to the spot account. You can click all, then you can confirm. So now we have here the balance. I have 30 USDT. Just, it's like a test. You can just make a deposit that how much you want. For example, $100, 200, 300, 500, whatever you want. So now let's say, for example, let's make $10 USDT equal 0.03 BNB. So let's buy it like this. Don't show this notification. So this is the market. The market, it means that you can buy the token at this price, exactly 968. So you can do a limit. For the limit, what does it mean? You can put your price here. For example, if the BNB price reach $960, you can put an amount, and when the price is down a little bit, sorry, so you can make a limit, for example 960, and when the Bitcoin reach that price exactly, you can buy exactly that amount. So it is when you reach 960 here, you can buy it. You can do also, you can sell also the limit and put it like, for example, $970, and then you can buy and sell with your robot. So I prefer to do the market, you know, because you can sell and buy at that price exactly. So now we have here the orders. Let's see what we have here. This is the time exactly, and this is the pair, the type. I do a market. This is the side, and we have here the price. So I bought the BNB at that price exactly, $969. So now the price is a little bit down, but it's okay, because it will be higher in the next few days. So we have here how much BNB that we bought, and the price is $900 for now. You can also select any other token. So for example, this is the Ethereum, the Bitcoin, the USD, Solana. So let's try with the Solana. We have here the high price and the last 24 hours, high volume, the high and the low volume. So the difference here is $6 in 1 day. So everything is clear. Now you can check here, for example, the last 4 hours, the last 1 day, or last 24 hours, and you can check the price. As you see, this is the market. You can use these materials. It for sure, it helps you to make your trade. So for example, maybe the price will be down a little bit, and then you can, it will be higher again in the future. You can choose this rules. Maybe the price, it will increase, and the next days maybe it will be down. But important thing is that you can be seriously with this. So for example, let's buy, for example, $10 at that price exactly, 201 exactly, and just click here buy. So we can see our orders again, the open order, and we have here the Solana orders. I bought it at this price exactly. Then you can also make a sell. If you wanna make a sell, you can do a put, or you can do the spot. The put, it means that more than 24 hours, and then you can create a guide. So you can also do some export, like chain on the convert, and we have here the market. You can do a copy trading. You can copy any trade for anyone. Just go here and you can check a lot of traders. You can, for example, this one, you can check the percentage, and this one earn plus 68,600 PNL. That's really good. So let's check this one. You can see some information about him. So he is 10% in the last 20 hours, 30 days. Let's see for the 7 days. So it is not good in the 7 days. So let's see another one. You can let's see this one. Let's make 7 days, and this one is minus 21%. So it is not good for me. I need someone who is really a positive percent in the last 7 days. So we can see here the positions and what he did, the trade history. So he win this one, this one, this one, he lose this one. So you can see about everything is here. So this is the position history and the transfer record and the copiers, people who follow them, who follow this one for sure. So everything is clear, ladies and gentlemen. You can see here your funds. If you go to the funds account exactly on the spot, you can check by yourself. For example, spot account, you can check here that we have here our funds, the Solana and the BNB, exactly what we have here. So everything is clear, ladies and gentlemen. You can see the markets, you can see the price, and you can just trade, for example, Bitcoin, Litecoin, XRP, and a lot of things for sure on the spot trading. So that's all, ladies and gentlemen. I advise you guys to invest on this XRP because it is really a big project. It was only 0.05, now it is almost 2.7. so that's all, ladies and gentlemen. They have also a lot of, you can also invite your friend, your family, your college, and earn with them. When they make a deposit, you can earn 10%. This is our link, and you can see everything about this. So they have also some big events like this one, 1v1 showdown battle, beat EI to win. You can check it by yourself, and they have for sure a lot of events you can win. You can check all these one by one because I don't have time to show everything here. Last thing, how you can make a withdrawal. It is an easy way. Just verify your account and you can connect, or you can do some Google authenticator here, or email or phone. That's how you can make a withdrawal. So that's all, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you like the project. I hope you like the exchange platform. I will be happy if you use my link under this video's description, and you can also make some future overview for sure. I didn't mention that, so you can just go with the future and make a trade as you see. So you can see the notifications and a lot of things, ladies and gentlemen. So that's all. See you soon, guys, in the next videos. Goodbye.